What's this? These are my supplements. So let me open them up and show you what I got. Lots of paper. Comes with a cold pack because some of these are temperature sensitive. All right, let's go through this. Nitric Balance. So this is for circulation, blood flow, nitric oxide, which is all important for your arteries. So that's something I got. This goes in the refrigerator. I put that in my smoothie. This right here is a new product that I'm trying right here, which is 𝗪𝗵𝘁'𝗀𝗄 𝗑. Now, this is really important because if you look in the back of this, you see these, you can see those ingredients or not, but those ingredients right here is vitamin C. I've done a lot of studies on vitamin C, and this actually comes from fruits and vegetables. Current vitamin C comes from actually corn. They boil the corn and then they extract the vitamin C from the corn, so that's a very, very bad idea. So I wanted to try something different. So these comes in capsules right in here. Next thing we have is the magnesium glycinate powder. I had some of this morning, magnesium glycinate powder. Let me show you the back. You can see there each scoop. There you go. Each scoop has 300 milligrams of magnesium glycinate powder. Next thing I got is this is colloidal silver gel. My wife likes to use this for her face. These are all on full scripts. Also too, ladies, if you have any kind of problems with UTIs, this is a really good product. I have more information on my website on this. Next thing I got is my fish oil. So this is Nordic Naturals. Nordic Naturals fish oil right in there. And you can see right in here, it has EPA. I'm going to point to it right here. It has EPA and DHA. And another really important thing here is the Arctic cod liver oil. It means that it's actually coming from the liver of the fish. It's really hard to see. You can see right here, this is, it's hard to see, but this is going to have vitamin A in it. What's so special about vitamin A here is the cod liver oil, which it tastes fine, comes from the liver, and that's where you have the vitamin A. Vitamin A is very, very critical for all functions in your body. If you get standard fish oil, it's not coming from the liver of the fish, so then it doesn't have vitamin A or vitamin D. So this product has a really good dose of vitamin A in it, and it has a higher concentration of DHA, which is more for your brain. So this is a really good quality product. This right here, this is Apex Liquid A. You can see that right there. So this is just basically vitamin A. I want to start taking some more vitamin A. If you can see the back of that, that's vitamin A. So a small little dropper full of vitamin A. This is EGCG. So what the heck is that? EGCG, which is a highly concentrated form of basically tea. It's coming from tea. It's one of the most abundant, powerful antioxidants on planet Earth. So we have that. And then here we have H2 from 𝗪𝗁, which is molecular oxygen, or in here I should say molecular hydrogen. So you're going to put this in water and it's going to give you a bunch of hydrogen particles or molecules, which is going to give you more energy. So that's my box opening from Full Scripts. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like, comment, and share this with someone that needs some help.